Okay, Saturday, I finally saw the Air Jordan 11 Cherry in hand. Absolutely love it. And the New Balance 550. Yeah, I guess I'm missing the hype on that.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days.
Ready to go, TJ. Back, another video on Talks with TJ. And Saturday, I got a chance to see the Air Jordan 11 Cherry in hand, and GS is looking well. Now, we know there will be plenty of pairs, far more than the Air Jordan 1. Lost and found, which that's still a whole debacle in itself. There will be more pairs. It still will never be enough for everybody, just because I don't think people will keep that same energy of not wanting the 11s once the 10th actually arrives. But we'll see what happens. If you want them, go for them, enjoy them, rock them, throw them on. Full family sizing, and I went just to be able to well, actually I went to go shopping, not for myself, okay, for friends and family members, children, not for myself, but I got to see them in hand and absolutely love them. Listen, it's giving what I thought it would give. Nice icy outsole and just the bright patent leather. I love it. It's not for everybody, but I appreciate it. So I'll have my pair. I will just say this, guys, and I'm saying this just in a kind way, but it's a Jordan 11 and it's a red and white shoe, which I'm sure you've worn. So I don't think there needs to be like some crazy anticipation behind like, oh my God, like how will it be styled? Arguably, like I style almost everything. Like there will be some neutrals thrown in there. Comfortable, athleisure. I don't really tend to dress up 11s a whole lot, but I kind of did with the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray. So we'll see what happens. The video will go up when it's up. There are hundreds of videos already up right now on YouTube, so go ahead and check those out. But I really like what I saw in hand, which brings me to my next point. Because I saw a colorway for the New Balance 550 I really loved. I thought, okay, this will be the time where maybe I pull the trigger and I pick them up. Nope, because I tried them on and not really all that comfortable. Now, I fully understand grade school will feel different than women's or men's pairs. That's just typical. A lot of times the tech is just not really all there when it comes to grade school pairs. I 100% get that. But I put them on. First off, they're not as comfortable as I thought they would be. And I understand that you wearing, let's say, an Adidas Forum is not you wearing an Adidas Ultra Boost sneaker. But I actually personally think a Forum is still more comfortable than what the 550 was. And I have friends that say they can't wear that 550 all day. It's just not all that comfortable. Fully understand it now, trying it on. And then it's too narrow. Like I even went up to a 6.5 and it was just far too narrow of a fit for me personally. And I am at that point where I'm trying to not buy shoes that I know may pose an issue or a concern, especially if, I intend to maybe wear them with thicker socks. So I had the opportunity to get them and on deep discount and I passed. Love the colorway though. The colorway is beautiful. Hopefully that hype and craze starts to die down a little bit because I know more people would like to have the 550s in hand to be able to wear and enjoy. Hopefully you're able to do that. I have just realize that model is not for me, but maybe it is for you. So comment below if the 550 is a favorite of yours, or if not, maybe you fall into the same camp as I do. But one more thing just to show you guys, picked up. So remember I told you Red Prestige, that was one of the Black Friday deals that I capitalized on. So the frames arrived, all three. Now there are three different models and I'm going to read the names off. So I have Studio Clear, which is what you guys are seeing me wear right now. So it has gold accent, gold frame, and then clear frames themselves. So we have Studio Clear, I have Vice Clear Silver, and then I also have Murdered Clear. Interesting name for the Murdered Clear. They just, they have the wood frame. So I absolutely, love that element, that aspect of them. And that's what really caught my eye while browsing Instagram. So I guess the algorithm is doing its thing there. But all three of those arrived. I'll go ahead and put links below just in case you guys are interested in them. Maybe they'll run another sale because, again, I got these with buy two, get one free, and they were already discounted. So it was amazing because it was like $83 for all three frames. And I love accessorizing with glasses. Even though I actually wear contacts, I don't wear regular glasses. I want the ability to easily see without having glasses on, especially in the gym or when I'm doing anything. So yeah, I have 3 new frames in. I will say this, I really like the presentation of them. So you get a hard case for each, and you see you have red prestige there. So I appreciate, you know, it being a hard case, because that does make it easier to travel with them or to stick them, you know, in a bag or anywhere, and you know that they won't be damaged. A lot of different options, but you know, frames have really been something I've accessorized with, I think, more over the past few years. So I have Privé Revaux, I have red prestige, and who knows, maybe I'll try something else out. James Oro was another one I actually intended to try out before I decided to buy the red prestige frames, but you know, I guess something a little bit more practical that will get more use than some of the shoes I buy. So I guess it's a good thing. Restraint was present. Did not buy a pair of New Balances, even though we have 2 on the way. So just stay tuned for those. I appreciate you guys tuning in to this quick video. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. And if you like the video, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe. I'll catch you later. Peace.